Pipelife presents the new generation of polypropylene manholes. This Austrian company ranks among Europe's top 3 pipe makers and has facilities in both Europe and the USA. These manholes are made using PAP, a type of polypropylene known for its strength, great weldability, and resistance to harsh chemicals in groundwater. These manholes serve various purposes, including domestic stormwater and combined sewer systems, with a maximum depth of 6 meters for foundation. The Pro 800 and Pro 1000 models come with fiberglass ladders as standard. The work platform has a non-slip surface and a 4-degree incline to prevent water and dirt buildup, making it highly practical. Experts suggest that for every 1 degree Celsius of global warming, there's about a 7% increase in precipitation. This is why the sellers of this waterproofing system will always have customers. They promise a simple and dependable solution in a single product. It's called Star 5. It's made in France and comprises of 5 components from the initial primer to the final elastomeric bitumen layer. Star 5 is suitable for roofs with wooden support structures and slopes of up to 20 degrees with no size limitations. It's also compatible with green roofs and suitable for both renovating old buildings and erecting new ones. According to forecasts, the swimming pool industry is expected to achieve a steady annual growth rate of 3% within a few years. This means that pool experts will have plenty of projects. Moreover, modern pool construction has become faster and more straightforward. For instance, these polystyrene blocks enable the quick and easy assembly of a 25 centimeters thick wall, with 15 it being reinforced concrete. These blocks are simple to cut, transport, and install. To build a 6 by 3 meter pool, you'll need 68 blocks. Additionally, polystyrene is excellent at retaining heat, doesn't soak up water, and doesn't expand. Ceramic tiles, corrugated tiles, and stainless steel hook fasteners make up this multi-layer roof. May seem simple, yet it's the only one approved nationally in Spain. The reasons are evident. These roofs can endure heavy rainfalls up to 360 liters per meter squared, extreme cold at -20 degrees Celsius, and strong winds up to 180. Moreover, no mortar is required, ensuring excellent ventilation, cost savings, and easier maintenance. A Brazilian team introduced an innovative product created to replace the conventional mortar in the laying of bricks or blocks for masonry walls in Brazil. Known not only for soccer, but also for impressive construction feats like the speedy creation of the city of Brasilia, this new product is making waves. It's incredibly efficient, with just a kilogram being the equivalent to 20 regular mortar. Plus, it nearly triples productivity, leading to walls that need less plastering. While the exact composition is detailed, it's described as a polymeric mortar with mineral additives. Here's another new product from Pipelife. Known for their manholes, pipes, and similar items, they've ventured into something fresh. Meet the Slab 16 ceiling system. Designed to be embedded in concrete slabs for regulating building temperature. It consists of 5-layer 16x2mm pipes that, when combined with other parts, fit together like Lego bricks. The benefits are cost and labor savings. No more tricky assembly on ladders with your head up. Plus, it's sturdy enough to walk on during installation. GreenLink Engineering was established relatively recently in 2016, and it has swiftly built a strong reputation and a loyal customer base. One notable client is Duncan Aviation, the world's largest private business jet service provider. They hired GreenLink Engineering to replace supports for 121 meters of gas piping on the rooftop of one of their buildings. Handling such projects is well within GreenLink Engineering's capabilities, thanks to their range of support systems. These systems can easily accommodate both lightweight and heavy pipes with outer diameters up to 8 centimeters, as well as heating, ventilation systems, and solar panels on rooftops. Additionally, in regions with heavy snowfall, they can add up to 45 centimeters in height. Here's a pile cutter that packs quite a punch. It can slice through up to 200 piles in just 8 hours, a whopping 10 times faster than doing it manually. The cuts are clean, ensuring no cracks below the cut, keeping the reinforcement intact and starting with a pile spacing of 493 millimeters. It does demand much hydraulic power, making it compatible with backhoe loaders. However, it boasts a cutting force of over 114 tons. This pile cutter is made in Russia and is available for about $5,000. Statistics show that the demand for gravel and sand is steadily increasing at a rate of around 5.5% each year. That's why it's crucial for pedestrian walkways, parking lots, embankments, and similar landscaping features that rely on these materials to have a long-lasting design. These grids offer a solution by stabilizing gravel and allowing water to pass through, resulting in a smooth puddle-free surface that's wheelchair accessible. The standard tile size is 50 by 50 centimeters with a mesh height of 2.5. They come with 410 millimeters holes for fastening. Urban noise is a concern addressed by the WHO and the UN in Europe. A significant 40% to 65% of residents live in areas where noise levels reach 55 decibels, exceeding the recommended 40 decibels. The issue is that 45 decibels of noise can disrupt sleep and 55 decibels can lead to heart problems. That is why, for many customers, this ceiling is not a luxury, but a necessity. It's an acoustic ceiling designed for sound absorption with an NRC coefficient of 0.8 to 0.9, suitable not only for apartments but also for spaces like recording studios or home theaters. The primary material used is gypsum, and the panels are easy to install. If needed, they can be enhanced with lead strips from the same manufacturer. Moreover, they use Cleaneo technology to filter out food, cigarette, and other odors from the air. The French company Jedi Mat follows the motto "Made for Professionals," available to everyone, and provides various video tutorials. On the screen, you can watch the complete process of building a terrace from start to finish in under 2 minutes. The experts cover all the essential steps, beginning with digging down 30 centimeters, laying geotextiles, and so forth. The company also offers the option to purchase all the required tools and materials on their website. Today, the cement industry employs around 1.2 million people and consumes approximately 6.5 billion tons of cement yearly. However, this could change thanks to these innovative forms. They enable a faster and simpler creation of curbs, steps, gutters, and other concrete structures. One of their advantages is flexibility. For instance, the 3.6 meters long elements can be curved with a 1 meter radius. Their versatility allows the same elements to be used for both curbs, angles, gutters, plus. There's no need to worry about durability, as each form can be used roughly 150 times. Let's stick with the terrace topic. This system, much like a Lego set, lets you tap into your creativity and craft a unique mix of boards, tiles, and other materials. According to the French manufacturers, it works well even for 120 by 120 centimeters blocks and is suitable for both unprepared ground and concrete foundations. The secret lies in the double-sided beams. One side is designed for slabs and the other for wood or composite materials. Plus, the elevos support elements can be adjusted up to 95 mm in height to level uneven terrain. Now let's talk about extruded polystyrene foam boards. This material can withstand extreme cold down to -70 degrees Celsius without deformation, and it's excellent at retaining heat. In some cases, a 3 cm layer of this material provides the same insulation as 55 bricks. This translates to significant heating cost savings as you'll only require heated flooring. These boards are lightweight and easy to transport, load, and install, which makes them suitable for various applications, such as foundations, floors, flat roofs, and utility systems. A package of 7.5 cm thick boards, measuring 58.5 by 118.5 centimeters, is priced at $28. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next video.